And he enter Nigeria we never tell. Now we take it out today for us TFF. Yes, so
that time happy wetin sabi.
Wetin I no sabi. I remember this guy too that time. All those boys, they go don turn big boys now. Magic system now.
They no be small pikin then, no dey do this again.
I know.
Magic system.
But they're small.
They're not small. They no be your mates that time. They no be your mates that time.
Say they be
papa. You were 52. You know how be say they are age.
How you?
I will know age. Wetin be wey age them.
They are big season na him.
Magic system. Their average age that time na 42.
42.
I will that time na over 40. Well over 40.
Now where you get this?
I know wetin happen. I no be gbarufu na. I sabi as e go for.
Hey, your big season we don enter with a willow. Hey, now what?
Naija matter don reach make we come here.
I didn't know. Well, lately I didn't know.
You too like to dey put matter for under this thing. No be news again. Say President Muhammadu Buhari talk say people say IG do anyhow. Something no be news na normal thing wey dey everywhere.
I didn't
so
know.
So you know to code am. No be today bros no know say budget me still no know. Many things dey wey you don't know. I no go shock if you don come say I no even know say I dey as well. Because many things dey wey you don't know.
When Oga reach here na dey ask he dey look for where is the IG?
This Oga don go leave.
Oga don go leave. Say kai. When I didn't know that IG did not come to Benue State. When I didn't know. Because I gave instruction.
My brother, if you sabi pray, they pray.
That it will refund.
I share your help for the country where I use this so. That's what we see and where we dey with that.
Oga Tuale, sir. I fled to Nigeria, my country.
Me call the one that say this is a fake, abi. But alas, no be fake. Na so it be. Na the case of Naija level be that.
That's don't reach level where Oga go give instruction. People go think because they
say you go ask am again. Maybe na him give instruction.
Whether na him give you.
I come dey wonder who dey give the instruction for that side.
Na Oga. Na Oga dey give.
No go to be
my chief of staff sir.
When I continue to do am go.
But we are still dey the level na Yabis Tuesday that I didn't know that the IG did not report. As Benue State come.
We go down wake up and say Saraki, Senate President. No, I didn't know. Now I'll just relocate straight. Now that day, I must land for Canada. Canada.
No, Ghana go Libya.
Na Banku. I said Canada. I don't do my papers already.
Na Kaka dey there.
Now I said I don't do my papers. You really 150K.
Libya sef na how na him finish am.
Libya K. Abeg o. I no dey shout.
Na Yabisi dey we don enter am some landlord we dey twale o. Make na package small I no know shame no dey again. Landlord go follow people dey go knock door for ten ant for community. Popopopopo ẹsanwó ọlọ́dẹ yet dem go dey go remove battery for inside motor for community.
Where the ọlọ́dẹ dey that time?
I no know where the ọlọ́dẹ dey. Plenty transformer don miss.
For my area, for
the mercury don miss tey.
For Oshodi that time, e get one ọlọ́dẹ wey dey our side. Anytime wey dey battery dey miss. Car ready, those that time car stereo people like am. You know wetin dem come do? And that time mechanic workshop dey my street. Down for them plenty and we get gate. Na close people dey come back. So carry the mistake dey miss with ease. Now I go bring one big rim, hang am for one coconut tree. Say when e reach 12, make e go knack 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. When e reach 5, make e go knack. When e reach, go down. 3.
The guy go retire.
I say na too much easy.
And if you work, and they make money, you go see community elders. They carry jeep up and down.
That's smart.
And that money, small money, now they plenty. Alagba, Shino Peters, Shino Edatogbe finally 500 for flat. You go pay. You go go. Michael, change Michael to Michael 500 and that one at 1,000. But tenants know they know say that money plenty because as they collect up and down, yet transformer they miss, yet they still they carry wire waka. Yet they still dey thief battery, dey thief tire. I no know, our house wey no get fence now. Anyway, make I no enter am too much. God dey. And then e don reach the level of operation disconnection or disconnect. Operation carry ladder up and down. Even if your community no use light, dem no send. If month end bill come, no try to pay. You go sabi how far if you no get another level to take collect light. That one na on top of IBCDC. Sinomania. Ọlọ́run mọ̀ bí tó ń lọ lójoojúmọ́. Kó jábà sùn lọ́sàn-án tiẹ̀ wẹ̀kẹ́.
Na normal thing now. Wey be say you go dey area, they go tell you, transformer money so amount. Na lie. Na lie. The following the transformer don miss again. Let cool it don go. If I say area for you, na dey cause am. Well, because when you are grow, you no dey try am. Things no dey miss anyhow because the miss one, miss two. Boys dem go just dey, nobody dey run dey monitor things. If they catch you.
And compensation, say they fit give you the koko gongongon on top of say no vex. Anything wey happen, they fit give you gongongon. Okay, say no vex. I hear one tori of madam. That madam na oga. He enter school, they no know he wan carry pikin waka. Na so the school authority gbege am. Before they sabi, you don go carry Air Force, Navy, Nigeria Army, immigration.
Intimidation na normal thing for this country.
Trace, vigilante.
Boy Scout go dey if you check.
Boy Scout get guide. He carry everybody go arrest. Even Red Cross go arrest the entire school for embarrassment.
The day wey we go stop, the day wey uniform men go stop, make some people dey drag them anyhow. Enter photo. Na things go begin dey change for this country. Fine, as sabi you don't know say make you come carry me go some matter. When you add swagger to your work, some people go come drag you say, where you do? Somebody collect my memory card. Where you do? Some things they will look to you. You go respect yourself. Come on, don't do that.
And make some of our security men make them ginger. You want arrest person, arrest them because say I am Kinikon from. I don't want mention because I want come reach house. I am Kinikon from Kinikon. You not supposed be. Do your work.
Arrest if you want arrest.
If you want arrest. We dey watch Oyinbo. Don't take
anything. For here, if you slap people, if you move, I move you. Paka, you don't come go wait here. Best way to that. So, people no way to go confirm or no way to confirm if you do or you don't do. Just move. Move.
0809868 yes Olomajari 7344 09091469670. Hey, ayaya. 09091469670. Yeah, this Tuesday, who the house for Rock City FM. Shino, Etatugbe finally at the Trowe Salute. Open that door. Hello.
Hello.
I beg you to near radio, sir. Yellow card. You say?
Phobia from Alate.
Phobia.
No wonder they fear to go phone.
Okay, phobia for Lalata, we dey hear you.
So, according to the stuff where they got everywhere, even our side there, after they call the cable, both the views that will come out. I don't know how they do accept.
Anyway, bros, make na shine in eye for that community. Make everybody
before everybody go begin the miss.
Yes, make all of now they wake up for midnight to do the security.
I don't know whether na poverty, whether na the new thing wey dey involved now. I don't even understand.
You don't even talk am. You don't take your mouth for meter. You make sense, bros, for Lalate side. Make na shine eye. Hello.
Hello,
Chairman.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Today na your duty. We can't talk the price of what that man will be there. Shinomania. I won't make you just face him very well because that guy during his own time. I'm telling you that man knows the rent. I like what they do. We talk about the price later. But there's one thing I want to talk. Where are we going in this Nigeria?
Now promise land Ogami.
You say any land and promise you go.
Land still dey there.
Land
that
still
promise. Land dey plenty.
You don't try go on the side before. Land dey.
I dey hear you.
They start saying maybe your wife can prepare delicious food to give her money. You know what ask whether it done.
Okay now, go ask.
How many months did this thing happen? So when it is once the friend someone didn't go, he did not know. If he did not go to that place, he would not know. Where are we going? May God help us. If they did not know for them people will not die there. Now where we say now 1, 2, 3 people they die, nobody they know. Now it's in fact if you see anywhere where we enter inside cupboard, enter because nobody is thinking about you. May God
Nigeria.
Amen.
Which way are we going?
Promise land we dey go.
No use that voice, come spoil.
Abeg park west 08098687344.
Who dey play drums or who dey collect money as manager?
Collect which manager?
Hello,
Sir.
Hello.
Afternoon, bros.
My name is Ajuki. I come for that one.
security for okay.
I beg me I meet that fire service so waiting happen to the Barrack cemetery. One house fall.
Hey,
But catch fire.
hey.
Fire service they come 4 times, have no green stop. Me I meet time they really try you.
Okay, the fire service, abi?
Yes.
Okay,
I
now.
think of now most people bring new motors for them again.
Okay, make them package new motor for fire service. Okay, bros. For Malabars. Try. Hello? 08098687344.
0909146967. Now yeah, this Tuesday. Rock City FM 101.9.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello.
Hey, it's Jaffe.
Baba mi,
How far now?
you no too far.
Eh?
Chairman, shift is small, abeg. Oya na. Oga mi shift abeg, shift. 08098687344.
009667344.
Say now.
Nigeria.
What did they share for Enugada? No like that.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, now when they talk, 800.
Yeah.
We dey
See you. Customer comedian.
chairman mi.
I just dey see you.
Okay na, I dey feel you too, bros. Yes so.
What give you na gift? How take stay na self?
Hello, bros.
I say I wan give you na gift shop na.
You know where you go? You wan see us, abi? Abeg, block us for that brigade commander entrance for Alarma barracks for Ram 4. And that entrance go where brigade commander dey take enter barracks. Na there you go see us for entrance. No, na the place where you fit see us be that. Just come sharply. Yes so. Hello. Dem go say make people make dem I don't know say na all these people wey dey go harass beggars for Enugada make dem pay tax. Dem still dey go there. All those blind people, those cripple, dem dey go there, dey go disturb.
Beggars.
They harass dem say dem must pay tax on top every money.
No, don't lie. Na serious also. I want we get one day.
Dem no pity for if you
Gbagbe.
you go collect money.
See one day I look one day for I dey dem born me o. I see one beggar one day I almost as say born me. Abeg. The money wey you dey find for business, how much e remain? Make we just contribute am, make you no dey come here again.
Come disturb people.
Because these people dey make money. Some no wan hustle again.
But some their condition na permanent o.
Some condition dey wey go look. Person I don buy butter from person wey no fit waka before now, wey dey make butter. That one get excuse too to enter.
But if you enter where dem be for those beggars, that place no be kulele.
Some na hustle. Who for the Jolly that go there, rabbit at this side, they dey every Sunday, like 12. Wheelchair go just dey.
That one.
They come dey wear bump, they just like I say this one don beggars kolo.
If you reach that Enugada, if you enter where those beggars dey stay, dem build to open mouth to harass people, dey make dem pay.
Some na hustle. Some we go stay for where bike you go drop you for Pajeke as you dey come from Adigbe, you no get choice, and you go wan pay, they go don come.
If the people whether na IRS make dem kuku get name of everybody, whether na per week abi per month abi per year, but for the level make we talk reality. I know the level no pure. Some of them blind, some of them cripple, some of them dey deaf, even dumb. Yet they still dey go there.
But then we still dey try for here. For you say for Kano they dey pack beggars, you know saying. cannot they clean the streets, they park them, so they suspect.
No, this place they get
No,
where
and they
they stay.
suspect as they park the also come the turn from the side.
Okay now.
And we say we must be vigilant, check them well. Make them no go dey smuggle come
Okay
down.
now. Okay now. Hello.
Hello, Abro. Who be this?
Chairman.
You dey owe house rent? I just ask question. I know they owe. No, okay, continue.
Your name?
Because as they rake. Oyedika from Ajebon Road. Good afternoon.
Okay now, Chairman, we dey hear you. Other side.
Which work minister for environmental?
Actually, the minister of environmental is an environmentalist.
And on top of
environment that can decipher the environmental movement of photosynthesis to a biological end where living things can cohabit. Aromatic I hope with this few points of time, I've been able to
confuse you, not be confused. You don't confuse am for my side. Hello.
And I mean, I go pursue me for this place.
Afternoon, sir.
How you doing?
We dey fine. Lost and found.
Brother Ali.
How you doing now?
I balance well.
It's too much, man.
Yes, it's too much too, bro.
Edafe,
hello.
You see?
Your name first. Your name.
My name. You don't know my voice.
Okay now. Your name.
This is honorable.
Tell my package respect there.
You say what?
Look, Kaduna, we say what?
One day, I want to see one man. Ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀dẹ̀jẹ́ fún mi lówó mo fẹ́ fowó ìfowó mọ́tò mi ìdẹ̀fi dẹ́kù I say well no wahala o I can't give in as I come reach Kuto
again Moses
Hello?
You too near your radio. Come on there, bros. Come on there. You too near your radio. Like, your name na Joseph.
Yes.
For which side?
Ibara.
Which side for Ibara?
I said Joseph.
I say which side for Ibara?
The other issue of the beggars now.
This time we people dey para now.
I dey do Paseke one day. I see one woman. Tell me to make I give her 500 plus 200. You want to and travel? I made a check with my friend.
You dey check?
Okay, give her. No, you do am for God o. Forget to na God you do am for.
My brother.
Wetin you can go do? There's a first go say do association. There's a get association.
Anyway, my guy, you don vomit your mind there. You don vomit your mind. Wetin we dey try
talk? No be say we dey try talk say whatever. Wetin we dey try talk be say people wey dey go knack.
When I comot that tori, I carry eye go that Uganda, and I come see the parole on top that level wey some people come say make those beggars make dem dey pay tax. They come dey power by force.
They are making money.
We don hear the gist
before, but I come enter am. And you pay tax over every income you earn.
No money wey some people no dey collect.
So you are enjoying the benefit of taxpayers.
Some people fit say make dead body come pay tax go where dem bury am.
Some people no say dem pay tax. Anybody dey pay. Person don die don pay tax before. I go tell you the story.
So anywhere wey money take come you go collect.
You don't matter.
Okay, better.
Money no dey discriminate. Money na money everywhere.
08098687344. Yabis Tuesday, who dey house for Rock City FM. Shino, open that door.
Hello.
Afternoon.
Afternoon.
from Liverpool.
Uche, Oyama Uche.
Chapale, my guy, Chapale, so that others go enter.
Huh?
I say
We dey
Chapale,
hear you,
so
Uche.
that others go fit enter with the year.
Go play am for phone. Don't worry, we go try.
We go play for you. Talk your mind.
No, we play that day. We play am. We play techno.
Okay, that guy wey request for techno, we play am. Techno, we play am.
Now, you know your mind no dey here. You say? We play techno music after news that day. I remember.
Hello, you dey hear me now?
What be this?
I mean, I need come back.
Moses.
Let me finish my.
No, before you finish, anytime
You don tell us buy garri already.
you don say buy guy, one
Now,
spirit
okay,
e dey pursue you. Follow that spirit waka. Buy tomato. Follow am. You run leave talk. Hello.
Moses dey call you up and down. I go know where the boy dey now.
If you go collect credit, whether the person
Hello.
dey come.
Hello, good afternoon. You know, why you are talking?
Your name, sir.
I said, I need my name and
People dey rush talk these days. We dey hear you.
when you are talking to strangers, why you know say this you are no go and it's very close to the river where they do ebo and everything. If there is some stranger who stop all this ebo when they sell up and now, that's the Uganda.
That one na oracle dem dey chop that one. No go there.
Na oracle dey chop that one. I no wan make we say na beggar, we no dey there. Na oracle dey come chop am o.
Na dem get their team. Don't leave that one like
Na
that.
dem thing o. The only thing beggar dey do dey collect money o, no be ebo o.
I pity your condition.
Daddy come dey go, I dey suspect you.
That one na
Hello. Hello.
Sacrifice dey even be like before again. Like that before for
Hello. Everything don pause.
Hello. I go give you analogy. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, sir.
Your name, bros? Your name?
You know, see that time sacrifice before we go for Nigeria. You go see am shawarma go dey, the people salad to one side. Tea go dey hot. You go see hot. You go see big goat head.
They don.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Sir.
He go buy shinshin for Panseke. The fish no even dey again.
The fish no dey again.
I just pot remain.
Na only pot and the empty bottle for the oil.
I don't want to name the place now. Yeah, from my area when I pass go, they say they carry pot, carry everything, call the junction of my house there, and they want them in one here. The teacher is beginning. I will name the area. I think I'm just telling you now.
But Oga mi sir, hello sir. Wetin you two dey do that time when they carry the juju?
For 12 a.m.
1 a.m. Wetin you dey look for? Wetin you dey look
big time.
You get interest.
You don't reach make normal person enter house by 7. You suppose don't enter house by 7.
Oga lock up.
Oga leave junction, go meet madam. Leave junction.
Leave junction, go meet madam. Na so we go talk.
Nobody stand for junction up and down.
Leave the juju alone. Go enter, go sleep.
They monitor people. Abeg pack. Abeg pack. Edape, Shino, that time when you see sacrifice, big goat head, it's you.
It makes sense.
You go dey see the smoke, go see the young roaster, barbecue they did. Salad people dey want that. If na fufu, everything go dey. But now,
the fufu go strong.
Now, akam. Red oil we on the ground, sugar no dey.
Red oil,
milk no dey, sugar
they don dilute am with water.
I see one sacrifice now, the egg now, they don comot the yolk.
The egg don even spoil.
They just sprinkle am.
How oracle go collect am?
No, na make am dey take water and dey smell bad. Before that time, you
no dey smell.
Because they don come, they don move. Now they don come. And the people they fire.
And for today.
And the economy for this country.
And it come worse.
I see one day. If you see there, chin 6 pieces.
How did you do? You no go para.
That's why the cities they happen.
And that time you go see one cake 20 liters of palm oil.
Some petrol, I don't see petrol before. 50 liters, everything they fresh.
2 bags of yam like 20.
Go see at
Plate of egg.
They go do it, but now
nothing dey.
They go just sprinkle red oil for everybody.
You go come dey smell, come dey taste.
Sugar no go dey. If you like taste am one day, you try sugar no dey again.
You fit taste am, Shino, you dey mad.
Milk no dey again. Before milk dey, they put now because people no come.
You go see milk wey thick.
You go say milk. Thick.
The thing go thick. Even the akara that they go put
egg inside.
The akara.
Na tapioca. Tapioca na see.
You don forget the plate wey dem dey use.
No.
Confirm plate. Stainless.
Na leaf.
Leaf dem dey put there.
I say why I see the toe. I say
you no dey respect
plate. I dey not respect this thing. Pito na dey brown.
Abeg make we enter the roll out.
Fresh case of Lassa fever. You don show again for Ekiti state.
Wetin?
I don't know.
Aspirant.
Wetin be aspirant? Very soon my poster go even come outside. Governor of this state.
No, na Delta, I tell you Delta.
Me, you go see Lagos like the queue long. I no fit go.
The queue.
I no go fit
this place too long.
No, this place I say as if find my way.
Go on show. Juju dey there.
But yeah, before anybody go, I go climb bridge.
Before
they go catch me, I don't climb bridge. I check the bridge, you say high. If I climb, before they go catch me, go take. I just go. 2 hours to stay in the bridge.
They keep daily Lagos. I mean, I can't go by that great state.
They never give us.
They go for your mind. You say they don't give.
And they give me people believe. One barber shoot person knife
for waiting
because of memory card. We know what's in the memory
card. How much?
We know what's in the memory card. Wait till they call a memory. It's just like you taking some wiping away somebody's memory.
With the memory.
It's not fair.
Memory card. You go sabi how far.
Oga Buhari shock.
On top.
The man say IGP. He said disobey order. Say you no sabi as TTP. I said prosecutor shock. He said what?
Okay.
I said yes sir. He said what? Say yes sir.
Say Baba.
When he did anyway.
Say Baba.
You know the pussy again. You know just Baba.
Baba. I said nah.
Now what are they here for town? Listen me again. They say don't.
Not be very they go town. Yeah, only you dey hear.
Baba. Baba. Baba.
No time for where Abuki dey now.
Abuki Seven James. They say what? My brother who dey push am. Who dey carry Okada? On top spot tori.
Wetin dey inside?
They say the thing wey dey shake for up one day go drop.
Yo.
Kwara United.
Yes o.
Don finally go collect pankere. Come pursue their Kosito John Ogbuse. Baba she.
You no fit.
He lose one, he draw one.
Up gateway.
Gateway get him.
And get to.
Until okay.
Na Gateway FC now.
Okay, we don't change to FC.
When we start to win, go be United.
God help
and na woman be the supporters of Ghana. We be Presido.
Woman get liver.
Na woman.
But na such supporter no be see the technical. Technical woman there. Our boss na the reason they go wedding. The reason our boss go wedding. Naming ceremony wedding you go see people.
Na you two suppose be supporters na Agbalagba.
When the gate is when gate don lock.
We no even get gate to forget.
Na fence
people wey dey expand road, they don all the gate they don demolish.
Make una find something sit down top something. I carry give una the main tori. As the hot, as the fresh case of Lassa fever, and they don confirm for Ekiti State o. The State Commissioner for Health, Dr. Rotimi Ojo, na him knack the matter for Ado Ekiti. Say 5 out of suspected case dem for the state na don test o wey be negative, and one and you get one wey be say dem no dey certain o on top am, and dem still dey check as they be. Ojo talk say dem test one of them, dem dey positive o, and 2 others dem don kpai. He talk say no cause for alarm o, no tata for yoyo. Say as e dey, the state don begin dey knack informate o, don dey run up and down to make sure say everybody wey be indigene for the state dey shine eye well well. He say the disease dey o, but the control team don ginger, dem don begin dey do jingle, advert don dey waka up and down on top the level to make sure say wetin everybody sabi say this thing dey o and make dem do wetin make dem open their eyes. One grade 1 area court for Karu, Abuja today don talk say make one 28-year-old man Nura Ahmed go kulele for 5 months for prison on top say he use knife shoot one man for head. Ahmed wey be barber wey dey live for Abati side for Abuja na him dem bring come court on top 3-count charge wey tanda on top say he use gree do things even though dem tell am he talk say make dem tamper justice with mercy o wey come make the judge Hasan Ishaq give am option of fine of 13,000 naira. Before that time the prosecutor Vincent Osiji na him knack the court say one Paul Adegbola wey dey stay for Old Chief Palace Karu Abuja na him report the matter give Karu police station for February 19. Osiji yarn say dem complain say the bros stab person for head for the same day for around 8:30 a.m. early momo. The prosecutor come talk say when dem dey play snooker when dem don go there na him the bros go inside. He talk say the guy steal memory card on top argument before dem go wide close am. The bros don comot sharp knife wey be dagger don mash am for head wey make dem rush the bros go Yanya General Hospital. He talk say as e be wetin dem say treat am for hospital na around 9,000 naira. Say the offence no tanda well with section 284, 392 and 265 of penal code. President Muhammadu Buhari yesterday shock as Inspector General of Police Ibrahim Idris disobeying directive to stay for Benue until the blood gbege wey dey shele between farmers and herdsmen dem dey resolve am. Oga wey follow yarn say him dey worried o say the totori mind somehow as the attack dey shele for Benue community dem. Say I don talk say nothing dey happen, he go ginger to end am. He talk say he no go carry face on top all the kpai wey dey shele for Benue and other part of Nigeria. Say he dey worry him mind, say he get as e be for him side. He say security matter na serious matter and we must do something on top am on top IG disobedience. Oga Buhari come talk say he surprise o say IG no even spend 24 hours for Benue, 24 hours when the director say bros relocate to Benue make you remain there till peace show face. He say this kind thing dey surprise am say person talk say make you go dey there, you no even stay there for 2 hours before you vamoose comot. Say investigate go to on top matter and dem go sabi wetin shele. Sport tori Naija Professional Football League side Kwara United don finally sack Coachito John Obu as the team no gree ginger at all plus say dem don first warn the bros give am 3-match ultimatum say if he no do anything they go pursue am. Don't forget say the bros struggle, he hustle but water just pass garri. Kwara United dem dey last for the table with 11 points from 12 games. He be the second Coachito wey dem pursue for NPFL this season after Niger Tornadoes sef pursue their Coachito Erasmus Onu. My name na Senayo Nasiru ogbonge storyteller OTT. Make una join me tomorrow wey be midweek edition on top tori wey dey alright, wey balance well, wey get big chest, wey come fresh like vegetable on top with ogbonge station number 1 Rock City FM 101.9.
I dey ask you now, what school na dey carry the girl today no be throwback to say na abi Shinomania revive this Jatogbe from
Mama.
yes sister even dey that same. Hey, up Venus. If you're the junior sister.
That one was sick chill. She never ginger.
She never ginger now.
She just want no, he good sha as he dey. Now the second one, but the third one we don't make it the pull like small. Go warm am up. Because if she no compete, she no go sabi as they go. If you just dey train, you go deceive yourself.
Make I dey flog me for court, make my pikin dey open dey see me for.
Now when you borrow the reason that way, no sense.
I can't. I want to talk to that pikin if you don't do the right thing.
Say it's part of life.
Like say
You
papa
don't
dey.
win all, you win some, you lose some.
Like say papa dey do exam in front of pikin, come fail.
Now you go make am tell her say bros, people dey fail if you don't work hard.
We don't come up for inside the newsroom. Throwback Thursday now we'll talk. Today na your busy Tuesday. Shino Ijatogbe finally carry me enter throwback Thursday, but I don't carry you talk or enter your busy Tuesday. Who dey ask Naimo for Rock City FM 101.9 every day. 08098687344 09091469670 be the number. And if you want send text message, enter type of package small space with the pray that network make it ginger. Can't do waiting, carry on and take join and run for 40 enter 32120 1012. I'll be for inside Twitter at Rock City FM. 12 is the number. Hello. 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 009868734. Who did it?
Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, brother. Me, your name?
My name is John from Adigbe.
Okay, now John.
James
okay, James dey here. We dey feel you.
But I say, Bros, and I am not the teacher. I'm not
Ew. Say now. We dey hear you.
Ask am where it is first.
As I want question now, you just give an expected answer.
Hey.
So that one no be answer. You see?
The answer too plenty now.
You too plenty.
About those beggars. Hello?
We dey hear you.
Those beggars, they are not possible. So if you see some women when they stand for succession.
Hello, sir. Oga. Hello, bros. Hello.
Hello, sir.
We no talk say make people dey beg for money. Abi make dem no beg for money. Wetin I dey try talk, wetin my eye see for Enugada na I talk. Then they collect money for another place, not being be the yan. The yan na be this Ogami. Those beggars for that Enugada, for that small building where they build for those beggars, then they go relate them to they pay tax. Na him we chook mouth small, not be those wey dey town and dey talk.
I beg you pay tax.
Say make na that level. Na ya see. And if you see their condition na die, but then they by power by force hold them. Say make dem pay tax on top all the money wey dem collect. Okay now. Now you go dey go collect the money for them. 08098687344. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon, sir.
How na dey?
We dey alright. How you dey?
Fine, Jason. And I uncle.
Your name first.
My name is James from Futo.
James Bread ke.
No, give bread.
Okay.
Okay. You dey sell.
I carry her from okay, give me 100 naira. I'm sure
Just collect your money dey go.
Oga mi sir. Oga.
Just collect your money dey go.
Oga sir. I no wan make we carry eye comot for wetin I vomit o. The thing wey I vomit different from wetin you dey yarn o. We no talk say make we no hello sir. We no talk say make person dey go collect money up and down make e be beggar, no be we dey talk. The thing wey we dey vomit, wetin we block for road, for that Enugada, for those beggars, for that building wey dem build for them, wey dem dey sit down beg for money, then they go relate them say make dem dey pay tax, and na by force dem dey collect that money for their hand for that place. Na him we dey talk.
No minister of advisor. Which country you come from?
No, hello.
Hello, James Odabe.
Baba o, hello. Daddy, I dey feel you, me go.
Well done, sir.
You are well done. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
I am Shehu Ibrahim Zubair from Imala town.
Welcome, sir.
The thing where I want to put my business, that news where you read now, that I want to put them on. For the IG and the president for his negligence. The IG is for the whole nation. It's not for the only that the Benue State. The IG is supposed to post his men go there. Yeah. The IG is for the whole federation of Nigeria. Not for only Benue.
Okay now.
To post his men go there. That is what I want to say.
Okay.
All progress them.
Thank you, amen.
This Baba. Hello. Hello. Hello, sir.
My brother, how are you doing?
We do fine, Chamami.
Why you force this voice?
We do hear you.
Better use your normal voice before the thing crack finally. Or they react to turn. That one. Okay, no one.
Àlàyé mi, gbogbo ẹ̀ jọra wọn alpha. Hey, brother, me go waiting the area now. I dey hear you, bros.
Bros, when you ready, make you let us know. Next.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
James, down.
Fine, sir.
Hey, you don't say where I hear your voice. Yeah.
Okay, now we dey hear you, sir.
Yeah. My name is Sandy. I'm calling from Jabugo.
For Ijebu, both side. Ah, bros, you make sense.
Side.
You make sense. Oga Sunday.
James, I beg, make una beg these police people. They disturb Jabugo farmers. These farmers, they go farm unless they 100 naira for police before he can carry him Okada. Go farm. Now, when it is market day, most farmers, they don't want to go.
Oga, sir.
Come on, Edaf, you know you're
farmers
in the talk.
Yes, sir.
There be farmers or farmers. You dey confuse me. Me, I know say farmers. They say
language.
Nah, farm road, this police will go stand.
If you don't hear English, I'll give up on this guy.
Okay, now. Oga, me, sir. As you dey yarn now, the Oga patapata wey dey for command, Ilyasu Ahmed dey hear. Even the PPRO, Abibola Oyeyemi dey hear.
I know Oga patapata no my I go call him.
Even Oga even dey hear you. Especially those farmers wey dem dey disturb, him dey hear you. Where for Ijebu where gon those farmers wey dem dey pass where gon.
Where police dey stop.
Where dem dey stand there. Ojo.
Grammar school road, yes.
Okay now.
And then technical school road.
Technical. Okay.
The road at all.
Technical.
All the time. This one is about 3 or 4 farmers return back to their father with their wife or back.
Okay, bros, they don't hear you. From that technical to technical are the famous. No, lady, bros. The authority they hear you. You make sense.
Well, make I leak messages for Twitter before I just see what I do for short school. They come up for a year. Hey, Larry Uber to say make Ogun water corporation make the airport so say water no dey for a touch your Oluwa. Abora wo digwe or me find water content.
Oh, you relocate finally. Not be by force.
Abe Fagbe mi o titi with you make teachers and parents make dem shine eye with everybody wey dey pretend say dem dey mad come dey use people do ritual. Abe Adesina 1232 see Twitter name. Abeg go titi and make nobody have my crush at my unseen prince. Message. Hey! Make I keep quiet. Oh, Saide, good day. Thank God say Moses don't show face after fuel scarcity. Hey, crush. You know everybody quick crush, don't crush finish. When they are crush them. Oh, Burupi for short code talk say for Elewero. Senayo, please tell Ogun State Governor Ashero Elewero Ibadan Road. E dey for Ogun Standard Road. I think I agree with you. Say the road dey for.
You say that.
Now Burupi talk and no be me. Fine, don't tell Esco. Already die and they talk. Already die. I go take one for.
I don't know. The hold up every afternoon, especially yesterday.
I passed on Sunday.
It be like saying I swear.
Sunday. I just for the road. The road just be like narrow escape.
And all those traffic officers.
And there are the road. Traffic. They try. And they give them kudo. Imagine they don't dey road.
Then they try.
We go dey cause havoc. Go.
Even the DPO too don't they join everybody.
DPO dey part of traffic officer.
Then Oga dey pass.
Oga no dey enter inside office again.
Oga dey pass.
DPO go lean. I don't know why we can't afford to have a
lean, not be the office. Who go lean if he?
We can't afford to have a
who go lean?
No. Madam abeg, no, join them. Make them brought them.
DPO must lean. Who go lean? Na me go lean. And make we appreciate all the traffic officers for Alade something.
Trace them. They go swallow smell of
the odor wey dey there. Na mortuary.
Then they try for that, and they try for that. Everybody dey clear traffic for this Ogun State.
We dey
una dey do well, God go bless you. The job be say we need more for Shakmo traffic light. That is short push.
Even na mortuary.
Yeah, we need more of una there.
Yes, sir.
Michael Odare, you do well. Shino Labi, see shirt like magician. My guy, nothing dey happen.
12 is the number now.
12 is the number now.
A magic number.
Oh, 12.
Oluwasino.
12. My name still never change. Senoyo Nasiru. When you jam us tomorrow from 3 go reach 4. OTT, I dey come here.
Cross back comment agency na fair say to them na bye guy.